Dinouniversity! Hello, feathered friends! It's me, Pete the Penguin, your guide to the amazing world of birds. Now, you might think penguins like me only care about cold, snowy places, but guess what? I've got a soft spot for tropical jungles and the fabulous feathered creatures that call them home. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the coolest birds around, the hornbill. Let's start with what makes hornbills so unique. Just look at that beak. It's not just any beak. It's a huge, colorful, curved masterpiece, often with a big helmet-like structure on top called a casque. But don't be fooled. Even though it looks heavy, hornbills are experts at flying and balancing. There are over 60 species of hornbills, and each one is special in its own way. Here are a few you absolutely must know. The great hornbill. These are the kings of the hornbill world. Found in the forests of India and Southeast Asia, they have a striking yellow and black casque. When they fly, their wings make a loud whooshing sound, almost like a mini airplane. The rhinoceros hornbill, check out that casque. It curves upward and makes them look like they have a tiny rhino horn on their beak. They live in the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra and are so important that they're the national bird of Malaysia. The African gray hornbill. These hornbills are a little smaller and mostly gray, but don't underestimate them. They're incredible bug hunters and love munching on insects. The helmeted hornbill. Now, this bird is like a superhero. Its casque is solid and heavy, and they use it to headbutt other hornbills during aerial battles. Talk about tough! The oriental pied hornbill. These are the friendlier ones. They often visit villages in Southeast Asia and aren't afraid of humans. Their beak is smaller than some of their relatives, but their personalities are just as big. Now that you've met a few types, let's talk about some super cool hornbill facts, unique nests. When it's time to lay eggs, the female hornbill seals herself inside a tree hollow using mud and food she and her mate collect. She leaves just a tiny slit to breathe through and to get food from the male. She stays there until the chicks are ready to come out. It's like building a bird fortress. Loud communicators hornbills are chatty birds. They make all kinds of noises, from grunts to cackles. Some species even sound like barking dogs. Imagine hearing that in the jungle. Fruit fanatics hornbills love fruit, especially figs. They're like the jungle's delivery service because they eat fruit and then scatter the seeds far and wide, helping trees grow all over the rainforest. Team players hornbills live in pairs or small groups, and they work together like a perfect team. The males are great dads. They bring food for the females and chicks non-stop. Helmet power. Remember that casque on their beaks? In some species, it's hollow and helps amplify their calls. In others, like the helmeted hornbill, it's solid and used for dramatic battles in the sky. Hornbills are more than just cool birds. They're superheroes of the rainforest. By spreading seeds, they help keep jungles healthy and full of life. Without them, many trees and plants would have a tough time surviving. See this big fig tree? It's here because hornbills helped plant it. And guess what? That tree now provides food and shelter for tons of other animals. It's like a chain reaction of jungle goodness, all thanks to hornbills. Hornbills are not just birds. They're legends of the skies. From their giant, colorful beaks to their amazing teamwork and jungle-saving superpowers, they're some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. Oh, look! There they go, soaring through the jungle like champions. Isn't it amazing how nature works? Well, that's all from me today, folks. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, there's a whole world of incredible animals out there waiting for you to discover. Until next time, this is Pete the Penguin signing off. Waddle on, my friends!
Subscribe for more videos!